10 interesting animal facts that are amazing. Number 1. Some birds navigate using Earth's magnetic field. Number 2. Octopus have 3 hearts and bluebird. Number 3. Dolphins have unique names. They use signature whistles to identify each other, almost like a personal name. 4th. Elephants can hear with their feet. They detect low frequency vibrations in the ground to communicate over long distances. 5th. Some frogs can survive freezing. 6th. Crows are incredibly smart. They can use tools, recognize human faces, and even plan for the future. 7th. Starfish can regenerate lost limbs. Some species can grow a whole new starfish from a single arm. 8th. Hummingbirds beat their wings up to 80 times per second. This allows them to hover in mid-air and even fly backwards. 9th. Tardigrades are nearly indestructible. Last. Penguins purpose with pebbles. Male Gento and Elidalier penguins often present a perfect pebble to a family as a gift to start a pair bond.